Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to use specific AI tools to be efficient and quick, giving life to your ideas like never before in 2024. But before we dive in, I want to remind you to share this video with your friends and family, and make sure to subscribe and stay connected, because your life is about to change today with all the information I'm going to give you. So, I advise you to stick around until the end of this video, because you won't be disappointed, and if you are, feel free to give it a thumbs down, and I'll accept it gladly. If you're disappointed, I'll keep going. Now, let's talk about updating your ideas and what tools you can use to be effective and rapid. Bringing your ideas to life has never been easier in 2024. This is an alternative to the monetary budget we often lack for hiring a graphic designer or using an application engine that requires extensive coding. We have the ability to erase the past, live in the present, and save a considerable amount of time. My first big idea targets the tech giant, Apple. Imagine filming with both the front and rear cameras simultaneously, allowing podcast producers to save a significant amount of time. You can capture key moments from the rear camera while commenting with the front camera, revolutionizing the way we create high-quality, efficient podcasts. This would be a groundbreaking advancement, making podcast production quicker and more effective. Therefore, I am sending a request to add this feature to the phone or to create an app that enables this functionality. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the possibilities? Remember to share this video with your friends and family, and make sure to subscribe and stay connected. Thank you for watching, and let's bring our ideas to life together.